Okay, Club Cart Project, or Easy Go Project, I guess it is. This thing's completely rusted out, doesn't run. I caught it on fire trying to get it started. You see, everything's rusted. Mirrors aren't even reflective anymore. The wheels, garbage. Gel coat, at first I thought it was good, but it's looking rougher the more I inspect it. Steering column, completely rusted. The air box melted when the engine caught on fire. This whole assembly back here, the step, is just completely rusted out. Can't seem to get these columns unbolted, so I might have to cut them out. It's quite dirty, quite rusty. There's some hardware. Let's see, the engine. I did manage to get it running, but gonna have to do something about the airbox. But all is not lost. I'm slowly chipping away at it and making progress. The seats, pretty roached out, but the vinyl still looks good. So I'm hoping that's salvageable. I've started grinding, removing rust. Here's the roof supports, and as you can see, I have sprayed them with bed liner. Well, originally I ground off a lot of rust, primed them, and now I have sprayed them with a truck bed liner, and it seems to have a pretty nice texture to it. I don't know if I can get a good view. Let's see, this might be a good way to get the texture. Or not. But these are looking brand new, and I'll have the rest of the cart looking brand new by the time I'm done. Alright, till next time.